Okay, good evening to all. Today I'm very happy and I'm very grateful because after a long time, I'm getting a chance to host our Weekend Institute session tonight. And now, first of all, I would like to uh, welcome our uh, respected Weekend Institute owner Prakash sir, and after that, I would like to welcome our all the teachers of Beacon Institute, and also I would like to welcome my all Beacon Institute friends. So after that, I would like to share a small quote with all of you. The harder we work, the better we get. The reason I would like to share why I have chosen this quote, as you all know, in our last previous session, our all the participants who participated in all the topics, they performed really very well. They were excellent, and that could have happened because of their hard work and their research. And so today, I am sure and I wish, I hope today's participants will also do their best. They give, they share their valuable information with us, with all of us. So without wasting our time, I would like to invite our first speaker of current affairs, and his name is Yogesh Mishra sir. Sir, please come and share your valuable knowledge with us.
Yes, thank you, Anish, for inviting me. Uh, Good evening to Prakash sir and all my colleagues. Today I have chosen the topic of uh, Center Vista project. So it is a current topic. Yesterday I have searched for that, so I got it uh, something for that. So yes, it is open. If you can see the my screen. So first we should know what is the central vista. So central vista is the heart of the Delhi, and it is stretched in a 3.2 kilometer from the India Gate to President House, like the 3.2 kilometer area, which is surrounded by the like you see this north south block, north block, and the Parliament House. Here we also get the Ministry of the Railways and Ministry of the HRA and most of the INCA like RQ we have. If you see this picture, then it is the Parliament House where the Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha and other offices are here. And in the south block there is the so total main project is from the India Gate to President House. All the area called uh, Central Vista. So what is the project for that? So first, like this is already told, and project comes introduced to in 2019 by the Home and Rural Area Affairs. Uh, Project comes due to the all these iconic building like New Delhi House, President House, North and South Block, India Gate, everything were constructed before 1931. So there with the new capital was inaugurated. So I have one question with you. Before before the Delhi, where was the first capital of India? Anyone
Kolkata,
knows?
Yeah.
Kolkata.
Yes.
Kolkata,
Yes,
yes.
yes, right, right. George Ships made this in Delhi, this house. And if you see some point, President House was designed by the Edward Luton. He is the architect of the UK, he has also worked in South Africa and many of the countries. And the Secretariat, which includes both North and South Block, was designed by the Hardware Baker and Parliament House, which is like this one. Uh, Designed by the both and Baker and Lucas. One most interesting thing we found yesterday, like the Parliament House. If you see this house, this is inspired by the our temple, like it's called the Chausat Yogini Mandir. It is situated in Madhya Pradesh. It is the same circle. If you see that mandir, that is the same thing as our Parliament House is now. So the project come because of the redevelopment of this, and the Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs proposed a Central Vista redevelopment 2019 because reason is given by the government, like the building was old more than 100 years, and government has given reason that they are spending 1,000 crore as rent for the 8 offices spread across the Delhi annually. When they organize the meeting in Delhi, they annually their total expenditure is the 1,000 crore. So they also give the one excuse like inadequate space in there, and resource will increase in future 2026. By keeping these things in a mind, they they do like they propose this project like Central Vista project. Something what they have envisaged for that, they will go they will do sorry, the constructing a triangular parliament building next to the existing one. Like if you see this picture, uh, it will not disrupt. Near this, you will get a new parliament house, which will make us a in a triangular shape. If you see this picture, then you will find that things also. And constructing common central secretariat, revamping of 3 kilometer long Rajpath Kingsway from the India Gate to President House, which is already told you. This will be purely revamped. Nothing will be existing. Existing will be kept. That will be turned as a museum. Like if you we have the north and south block, that will be repurposed as a museum. A total expenditure of this project, government has given 20,000 to 25,000. One request from my side, please listen me to clearly because I will ask one or two questions in a last with the experience one. If you have anything, so you can ask also. The timeline is given by the government, which is when he proposed the in 2019. Then their timeline was for the November 2021. But now the work of Parliament is to completed by March 2020, and the Common Secretariat by 2024. I already said show you like which is the Parliament building or which is the Common Secretariat. Okay. So what are the we have to the who is taking this project? They have to improve the beauty of the Central Vista and make it a world-class tourist attraction point, so they can earn from their side also. The environment one thing is like Environment Ministry clear new Parliament at 922 crores, and 2 May 2020, the expert of the appraisal committee also cleared this amount, and the Central Vista committee has also approved this new plan. Okay. So one thing yesterday was I found is was very good. Like Tata Group, uh, Ratan Tata Group has won this project by beating the L&T, like a Larsen and Toubro full form. Like the Tata Group has proposed 861 crore and L&T proposed 865. Because of the 3 crore, Tata Group won this project for constructing new Parliament House, which is this. Like this is, if you see the triangle of this will built by the Tata Group. Okay. Finance bid was open in CW. Who is this? I request please mute yourself. HSP Design Planning and Management Private Limited. It is based in Ahmedabad. And this is also won the contract of revamping Central Vista. Like if you see this picture, like present one, then you will this will be a new structure of our Central Vista. Okay, if you see this one, it is the present time situation, and purpose is like this one. If you new time you see, you will find this one. Okay, one thing like it is short note, like what will be included in there. The Central Vista Central Conference Center will be there, and India at 75 museum of will be there. Prime Minister PMO office will be there. Prime Minister residence, MPA office, the making of India, Museum of India Democracy, Parliament House. Everything will be included in the surrounded that area. So it will reduce their cost. So for the keeping in a future, keeping in a mind, government proposed this time this thing. So it has been you can say 50% it has been uh, passed by our government. Only one thing, there is a two petition which is filed by the Congress party in the Supreme Court. So question is like that: is it the right time to propose this? Am I clear?
Yes, yes. It is
Yes,
not
sir.
right time.
Sir, yes, yes.
Yes, same thing the Congress has done. They have submitted a petition for this, but the Supreme Court has decided they will not going to stay on that, and that's why they have from yesterday, before yesterday, Tata Group has won this project, and they are going to start this project. So it is our thinking like this is a not. I also think this is not right time to spend this money on that project. First, we have to recover from our Corona situation and most of the situation, so it will be okay. That's the all thing from my side. We should also realize that. Thank you, Anuj, and
Yogesh
thank
sir,
you all my
Yogesh sir,
participants.
Yogesh
Yes,
sir.
ma'am.
But
Yes,
this
yes.
proposal was put in the year 2019. So
Yes, yes.
that's why I think the Supreme Court didn't give stay on this.
Yeah, that's why it was proposed in 2019, but it is clear in between the uh, COVID-19 situation. Like if they got the project in 2000 last 16 September 2020 means before yesterday he got the project. Now he has also find the deadline for the March 2020 to build a new Parliament House. So they have to government has to give the payment for 861 crore. That's why I said.
By this project, many people get jobs.
Oh no, madam. It will for the government accommodation, like they are using the another place for as a renting, where they are spending the 1,000 crore for 1 year. And
No,
for
in
keeping that in mind, they propose this one. If they will build this, they will save the 1,000 crore for the next future. It is a purpose for the 2026. If you see the new structure, there has a capacity to accommodation for the 1,224 members, which is joint session of the Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha, which will also increase in 2024 after the 2054. You see, now we have the 540 members in the Lok Sabha. It will increase at 876 members. For keeping this thing in the mind, it is a good project, but no, time is not good. I mean that.
Yogesh sir, I think so. Why for this project also a bill amendment come to in a parliament that 30% of salary and expenditure will be cut from every
Yes,
parliament.
MP. Yes. MP, what expenditure expend on the
Yeah,
MPs, it will
not
reduce definitely.
not only salary, also expenditure will be cut 30%.
Yes.
So
That's the thing. That's the thing. No,
so I
I'm not
think
saying this is not a wrong project. I said it is a right project. But in this time, they should not the bid finance for the.
Yogesh sir, I agree with you. But it project, it plan was made earlier. Just it's come on
yes, yes.
influence in this times.
Yeah. I already told like that the future of this project is a very nice. They will attract the tourists and as well as they will reduce the expenditure of the MPs, which cost will be more severe. But in the future, it is for the future.
Yeah,
So that the petition comes from the Congress party. The Supreme Court will take for that, I think.
But government, I think government already allotted the finance to the last year. Already allotted the
Yeah.
finance to the to this building last year. So what is the problem of coronavirus?
No.
This,
Problem is like that, ma'am. If you see the government has already expend their money in making the hospital. like they are providing so much facility as their PM care funds money from the government took money from the people from the in a PM care fund. Now they have made the structure and hospitalization in our country. So if you see the GDP has also decreased. So it is not for the, I am not against for this project. I am just saying this is not the right time to uh, uh, sorry what to explore this. They should not give the project this time to Tata Group. It may be possible for after the first week of the first 3 months of the 2021. So it would be the right time, in my opinion. It may be the various from the very to very, because if government has the money, then we don't have any issue. It is a petition from the Congress party. So I was talking about that, ma'am, only.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. I took many time. Sorry for that.
No problem, sir.
very
It
nice.
was a nice topic and a nice discussion also between our teachers and
Yes,
you.
yes. Yes.
So,
Thank you.
It's a time to call our next participant, Nidhi ma'am, to share their knowledge on whatever the topic he has chosen today.
So good morning to
Sorry,
all of
she
you.
has chosen.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, 1 minute. So is it visible?
No, right now it's not visible.
That's so. So I'm not able to share the screen, so I will describe without sharing screen.
You can share your slide to Yogesh Mishra sir. He will run on behalf of you.
There's only 2 pages. I will describe in this way.
Oh, okay, no problem.
So the topic of the topic which I chosen is Toyota company. As we all know that the Toyota company stopped their expansion in India due to the high taxes. So if we talk about Toyota company, it's a Japanese company, and the chairman of the Toyota company is Shekhar Viswanathan. So is anyone aware why the Toyota company stopped their expansion in India? Is anyone has idea? Is anyone has an idea?
Due to high taxes of our government, import taxes.
Yes, exactly. Yes, exactly. So the Toyota company is the 4th bigger market in the world in South Asian country. After all, this international market are struggling so much. So they capture their market in our country, but this is very tough for their company. So Toyota company is one of the world's biggest car maker, and it's operate in India in 1997, and so the Toyota company has completed 20 years in our market. Still, they are struggling so much. So there are some reason behind this why Toyota company stopped their expansion in India. Toyota company only stop their expansion. They are not quitting our market. So I will describe some reason why they are stop their expansion. So as one of my friends said, due to the government of India has imposed high charges on company on cars. So their stop expansion. So this is the reason that government are imposing high taxes. So because of high taxes, consumer are not demanding so much. So if the demand of car is not high, then if consumer will not purchase, then automatically demand will decline. So this is the reason companies stop expansion. As we can say that if demand will decrease, the company will not earn profit, and if they will decrease profit, then we won't be company won't able to manufacturing which they are planning. So they are stop expand in their market. So according to Toyota company, they invest money in our company so that they profit, so that they earn profit. But what is the structure in our country? This is very different for their policy, for according to their policy, because they are getting the government which is the government tax impose that tax which is very high for their for which is for according to their policies. So they are with this message, they are getting message that we don't want you in our market. So this is the main reason. And if I talk about how much tax is imposed, so in our country the government imposed tax in motor vehicles, including cars, car, two-wheeler and sports utility. So in all these items taxes are imposed on 28%, which is very high. So except this, there is also additional charges, additional levies, which is also known as tax, which is imposed from 1% to 22%, which is compared which is very high compared than other country. So the additional levies is charged according to the car types and length or engine. So this is very high and the normal consumer are not able to demand, are not demanding so much. So it's not just for Toyota company which is stop expansion. There are many other companies which has already quit our market, like American companies, some American companies, and Ford company, which also exit our market. And the other company, um, General Motor Company, which already quit in 2017, because our government impose high taxes on luxurious items. So if there are government imposing high taxes, so foreign companies are not investing in our country, because consumer are not demanding their product. Consumer will not demand, why company will invest in company. So if I talk about electric vehicle, the in on electric vehicle, government are charge only 5%, because the sale of electric vehicle in our country is not much more than other 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 cars. So government are not impose high taxes. But if we see the if the selling of electric vehicle will increase in future, government are also imposed high taxes, which is not good for a consumer. So that's the reason Toyota company stopped their expansion. And there is another news: Paytm removed from Google Play Store for violation policy. Is anyone has any idea about this?
Due to gambling activities on Paytm.
Yes. So what is the gambling policy? So I talk about the 1 minute. Google Play Store. Google Play Store remove the Paytm because Paytm Paytm are provide the gambling process to our customer. It is not provide directly, but it provide the link from where we get the link and go through the third party and participate in paid tournament like casinos, and there are many other policies which is not supported by Google Play Store. So that's why Google Play Store remove the Paytm. uh, if I talk about example, I don't have enough knowledge. Dream 11 is, I think, is just some app which is not provided on Google Play Store. We can install from their from website because this is against the policies of Google Play Store. So that's why Google Play Store removed the Paytm. That's it.
Thank you, Nidhi ma'am. It was
Yeah, very nice.
wonderful speech from you. Sir, actually I'm requesting, sir, can we take a next session because our second topic is still rest. So
that's why we needed a timekeeper.
I know, ma'am. In the grammar portion, we can our teacher can teach in different session also. So I want to
third
give equal,
session?
not a third session. We can continue on Monday. The grammar portion.
Sir came.
Sir, can we do this?
Sir is there.
Yeah, we can do it. We can do it. But we have 5 minutes left. Okay, so we can discuss about our new means how you are feeling about this type of current affairs. So we can discuss about it.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So what are the benefits of arranging such type of activities on our platform? What type of benefits we are getting from this type of activities? And you all are doing great, amazing job. You know, Yogesh Mishra has done a great job today. He has collected very current, actually that is called the current information.
Sir, actually, I don't know about the both participants. They choose the topic. I don't know about that.
But amazing
That's
topic. Okay.
why. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
it is very
Yes,
beneficial for us, and I have seen the confidence on Yogesh Mishra, sir. Yes, amazing. Really, he has got a lot of confidence.
Yes, I got it because of the day by day we are getting a more challenge, so we have to prepare. Like we did not prepare for that, but Kevur sir said, "Will you prepare?" Okay, okay. So then I searched for what is the current affair for 2020. So I got yesterday the Tata Group won this project. So I should we should prepare for that also. So one thing, sir, from this current affair, the person is like who is going to present, they will prepare a more by preparing for from that side. The all our speaker will get the knowledge about the this type of current affairs. So it will, sir, like we say. We should update ourselves. We should update ourselves, but we don't. Anyone don't get the time for updating themselves. But this type of activity is every person is giving their part of knowledge. So we are increasing our knowledge as well, sir. So personally, I like this activity very much, sir. I'm very grateful for that, sir.
And I like your way of presentation now. Okay, you have improved a lot, and you are improving a lot. Okay. So this is only beginning. I always said this is the beginning only. Okay, we are going to show the world where we are after some months.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Definitely, sir.
Do you have dream or not?
Sir. Yeah, yes, sir, definitely, sir.
I can say like Martin Luther King Jr. I have a dream. I have a dream. You all will do your level best after a few months. You all can be a good teacher of English. You can be a great public speaker. You can present for college in your field. So my dear
we
friend,
will never forget you, sir.
This is only beginning.
Sir, it will be happen due to you, sir. Only due to you.
Because of all of us.
Yes, sir. But
you are the founder. You are the founder. So
Yes, sir.
You are
You are the
Such a-
founder, or you have selected the people
It's a
sir,
very
from
good.
the various districts and various states, or you
Various
put
states.
all of the one bucket. So we are here
Yeah.
to improve ourselves.
Everyone
You,
need a
sir,
platform, and you provided that.
Yes,
Okay.
you
sir.
are the pioneer.
Perfect. So now I want to ask one question. How can we learn language? Now have you got the answer? Have you got the answer? How can we learn language?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
By practice.
By speaking, by practicing.
The
By
more we will speak,
communicating.
the more, yes, sir.
One thing, sir, what I have learned from this platform, sir, the principle of learning English is going from the accuracy to fluency. But here we got just opposite of this.
Fluency.
First we got a fluency, then we are focusing on the our where we did a mistake. So now we are going to for accuracy. So it affects the more, sir.
That's great. And we all are getting benefits. Wonderful. So yeah, Jaya madam, Shanta madam, Ruchi madam, what do you think about this? Current affairs. Geeta madam, you can share your opinions. Nageswar sir.
Yes, sir. It's a very good thing, and by this, all people know many things. Anuj, sorry, who told the first current affair?
Yogesh Mishra.
Yogesh.
Yeah.
No, no.
Yogesh also, yeah, Yogesh also told that after selecting him as a speaker, he chose the topic, and he know about that, so that he know and he get this type of speech. He give that type of speech, so we all also understand about this thing. That's a good thing.
Okay. And one more question I want to ask you. You can also answer me in the second session. Nobody asks you what do you do on this platform every day, Monday to Friday. You go, you don't get tired, you don't get be bored. Are you not fed up? Nobody asks this question.
Yeah, asked me, sir.
No, sir.
Because this is a
My
family.
wife
time.
asked me,
People
actually.
want to spend this time with
No,
family. And
no,
with
sir.
the
Because we enjoy with learning, sir. So we are not
Because